Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide your photos in your gallery in your OPPO A16S. First of all, open your standard application on this phone, Gallery, this one, Photos. And here you choose some photos what you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this one. So press and hold to select, and on the bottom panel we got Set as Private button. So tap it, and here we got message successfully set as private. Touch and hold the tab bar at the bottom of the screen in Photos to view private photos and videos. Okay, now press and hold here on the album. Now we need to enter our privacy password, and here we got our hide photos, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.